Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook error fetching data. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. So we're going to make sure to close the application fully. Once we do so, then from here we're going to click on the settings button, which is going to be right here. Once that is done, then from here we're going to click on the third section which says applications or apps. Now you can see Facebook right here, but we can also click on the see all apps section and then search for Facebook. Once we have found Facebook, then from here we're going to click on the third button right here that says storage and cache. Once that is all set, you're going to click on the button that says clear cache. Now from here we're going to close the settings section, and now we're going to make sure that we are on the latest update for Facebook. So simply click on the Play Store or the App Store that you have, then click on search, then from here search for Facebook. Once you are here, you can see in the first option, if it says update instead of the button that says open right now, make sure to click on that to make sure that it is updated. Finally, we're going to make sure that we have all the requirements. So we're going to go back to settings, and once you go to settings, you're going to scroll all the way down until you see the about the phone. And then from here it's either in about the phone or the system settings, and then from the system you can see the system update. And once you go here, you're going to check for any new updates for the software for the phone, and if there are any, make sure that you update them so that you're on the latest one, and once it restarts, then it should solve the issue. Also, another trick is that you might have issues with your internet itself. So you can change from here as well and for the Wi-Fi, and make sure to switch on your data just as a quick test so that you make sure that you're all set. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.